Well, howdy, Cowpokes. I know you all think I just work constantly, and you're totally right most of the time. But every once in a while, I take a day off and do something fun. Well, today, I'm so excited because I'm going fishing. And I can't wait for you to see what a great fisherman I am. So let's go. Oh boy, I'm so excited to go fishing. What a great day to go fishing. It's nice, it's relaxing. I can't wait to see if I can catch a big old fish today.
All right, Slick Nick, we'll see if you can catch one. I got one of the best baits you can use for bass fishing right here. It's a live worm. You want to go ahead and bait your hook and see if you can catch one?
Ooh. You know, I got a blister on my hand. Do you mind?
I'll bait your hook. I can do that.
Thanks, Farmer Mark. If I didn't have this blister, I would do it. All right, first cast of the day. Here we go. Guys, I think I got one. Oh boy, it feels like a real big one. I think I got one, guys. Oh, man, it's a big one. Oh,
pull him in.
Good job, Slick Nick. Good job, Slick.
Wow.
Slick Nick.
Look at that. A real lunker. It's huge.
That's a monster.
Good thing you had that great big old pole to reel in that monster.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Okay, so now what?
Well, I don't know. You think you should take it off the hook?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, Slick Nick.
Fish off the hook?
Go ahead, grab it.
Slick Nick, are you scared? Yeah, are you scared?
No.
I'm not scared.
He's not scared. He's not scared.
I'm not scared of that.
Remember, he's got that blister on his
Yeah,
hand.
yeah, I got
So
a
he was
blister.
scared to.
I got a blister on my hand. Oh, thanks, Farmer Mark. That's very kind of you to help me.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot.
you bet.
I had the blister, else I would have taken it off the hook, guys.
I think
Look at that monster he got, guys.
I think he has to throw it away.
Should we
Yeah.
throw it back?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
I want to kiss it.
Say bye. Good catch, Slick Nick.
Bye. I wanted to kiss it.
Wow, what a beautiful night, Farmer Mark. Beautiful sunset. Oh, I can't believe I caught that fish. I'm just standing here thinking, I don't know if I'll ever catch another fish like that again. Wow, what a catch.
Yeah, Slick Nick, that was a monster. You reeled in a big one there. I might have to take some pointers from you next time. This is all I've caught today.
You caught that?
Yep, I'll put him back in the water. Let's get back to fishing, see what we can do.
For our Cowpokes competition today, we've been having a lot of fun. We typically do a lot of work around here on the County Line Ranch, but we are going to have a race on the slip and slide. We've got two of our little Cowpokes, Hank and Heidi. They will be racing against Slick Nick. We'll see who can finish fastest. Here we go. On your marks, get set, go! Okay, on your mark, get set, go!
The winner of the Cowpokes trophy is Hank and Heidi!
Yay!
Yeah!
Where do farmers go to get their medicine?
Tell us, Uncle Sammy. Please. Please. Please.
Farmers get their medicine at the pharmacy.
Hey Cowpokes, check it out. I got Slick Nick a new fishing pole. It's just the right size to catch the size of fish he usually catches. Well, we had a fun day out here on the County Line Ranch. Thanks again for joining us. Where is Slick Nick and his tractor? I don't know, but see you next time.
Oh, Cowpokes, this is so embarrassing. I got grounded. I can't even drive my own tractor without my mom on it. Anyways, make sure you give a quick click for Slick Nick on that subscribe button. Like our videos, leave us a comment, and share our videos on all of your social media pages. Be sure you hit that alert button so you can see what happens next time out here on the County Line Ranch. Gotta go run after my tractor, even if it is with my mom because I'm grounded on there.